Hello, this is the interface you can get by opening the newly installed Revit 2020 software. Let's talk about the options we can see here. There are two buttons in the top of left side. When you click the leftmost one, we can get these options: move, size, minimize and maximize and close options. uh, yeah, let's see how to use move command. Here we can move the interface by using that command. You can see here, and like that we can minimize, we can move, we can maximize, we can close the software by using these options. Then from the next button we can change the interface there, and you can see clearly it. Let's see this one, and we can change the interface by clicking this arrow also here. Okay, there are two main sections of this interface as models and families. You can see it in the right side part. These are the recent file we used in the software. These are models and these are families. These buttons to open new file or a past project or family here. And family means they are the components we used in models. Models are the main project of our model, and the families means the components we use in that model. Here let's open this one. We can use this section to open recent files. These are sample files. I will see where is that sample files came here, and these buttons to open. This one is for open a past project, and this one is to open a new project. This button is to open a family. We have model in the past, and this button for new family. And these projects are the project which we model in the software recently. These are families. Let's see where is these models and families came here. Go to C disk, and there we have to go inside the program files folder. There is a folder named Autodesk, and there is another folder inside the Autodesk as Revit 2020. There we can see a folder named samples. These are the samples which have been opened in the front page of the interface. This one, and this one for plumbing project, and this one for structural project. And we can find the libraries here in the program data folder. There is another folder named Autodesk, and then RVT 2020. Here the name of the folder is RVT 2020, and inside that we can find libraries folder. Here these are for US Imperial Works. Let's see these doors. These are different types of doors which we can use in our projects of future works. And windows there. These are types of windows, and lighting, like that. All the libraries we have default here. If you want any other family or any other library, we can download it from internet or somewhere, and we can put here. Then we can use them in our future projects. Okay, then, and we can change the interface by clicking this button. Yeah, here the files, by clicking the files, we can get the application menu bar. There we can use this button to their command as a, we can get a new project or family or title block by clicking this new button. And this is for recent file of the models we have already finalized, or project, family, or any other thing. You can save as, export. We can export CAD formats, and these formats we can export files from Revit, and we can export images and animations by walkthrough, images or solar study, and we can export reports about our the quantities, areas, like that. We can export reports by Revit 2020. And here there are another options there, set up DGN and like that. And we can, by using print option, we can create PDFs, and we can directly print our drawings. This is for print setup, print preview, and we can use this close button to close the software. And here there is option button. I will tell later the what is usage of this option button, and we can use this exit Revit to close the program. Okay, in the next video I will start a model. I will start a project to do a model. Okay, let's see in the my next video.